427, 428. I think same room. Nope, different room. All right, we are in Marriott Towneplace. Just checking in. All right, as you can see here, full kitchen, dishwasher, sink, 4-burner stove, full fridge, nice microwave, ooh, oven too, utensils, dishes. All right, we got plates here, coffee maker, some ancillaries, dish detergent. All right, we've got full-size table, pull-out couch, ottoman. Let's get some lights on. All right, lights. Corner seat. And what do we got? View of parking lot in the back. There's a bar in that corner back there. All right, as you can see, got upgraded. This is 1 bedroom, 2nd bedroom. There's a TV in each. Let's get some lights on in here. Room actually smells very clean, no cigarette smell. There's the bed. Full closet. Bathroom's in there.
Why is there no clothes? Just hangers.
Got the little ones here. Let's see, and the view out here is closer view of that bar. Oh, and the Hamptons Inn. Oh, we're towards the front. All right, that is the view of Towneplace Reading 2-bedroom suite.
Appreciate you watching our travel and food videos. Don't forget to subscribe. We greatly appreciate it.
All right, just a quick room tour. When we came down, we were actually in 428. Tonight, on the way back home, we're in 427. All right. Mind the luggage. All right, so again, quick brief tour. Full fridge. Full stove and oven. Microwave, full sink, dishwasher. All right, full living room. Pull-out couch, air conditioner, TV, full-size dining table, bathrooms in there. Full bedroom. It's about 1 a.m. when we're checking in, so kind of late. All right, we're gonna finish checking in, unpack, go to bed. See you in the morning.
Thank you for being awesome and watching to the end. Here are some other playlists of our food and travel adventures that you may enjoy. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you. Thank you and have a blessed day.